MotorWeek is made possible by TireRack.com, Hum by Verizon, RockAuto.com, State Farm, and WeatherTech.
The Subaru Crosstrek is a stalwart in the MotorWeek fleet. So far, we've driven the 2018 model 8,500 miles after spending a year with the 2017 edition. This raised hatchback continues to have the right amount of utility and ruggedness for all roads and weather conditions. Subaru's all-wheel drive system is readily up to the challenge everywhere we've gone so far. The 152 horsepower 2-liter 4-cylinder is paired with an updated CVT. They work well together, and while there's decent low-end torque, we'd like even more throttle response. Compared to our 17, this 18 Crosstrek drives more refined, solid, and secure. Fuel economy is now 30.3 miles per gallon on regular, which is slightly better than the government's combined rating. Now as the summer slips away, we'll see how the Crosstrek handles our autumn adventures.